Do you find yourself searching the night skies for a purpose? Have you ever wondered what lurks on the other side of your planet's moons? Do you want to go visit family off-world, but don't want to pay transport ship prices? Hi, I'm Peter Showers, a sales representative aboard the Sunbeam. What is the Sunbeam? It's a magnificent orbital manufacturing station that provides starships for your personal, commercial, or military use. Join me as we take a look at all the possible starship combinations for your adventures in space. To look at the current selections available with Sunbeam, please visit one of our store locations to receive a holographic brochure. If one of our locations is out of reach of your planet, a copy of the brochure has been sent with this broadcast for your perusal. Now that you have your guide ready, let's go over the basics of ideal human starships. Starships use airtight metal hulls to keep the vacuum of space at bay, while providing safe comfort for their occupants or crew. There are many different hull sizes offered by the good people aboard the Sunbeam. From fighter-class ships sporting expert speeds to capital-class space stations, Sunbeam has a hull size fit for your journey among the stars. Of course, most spacefarers prefer the free merchant hull type as the perfect balance between mass and speed, all at one affordable cost. Not every star crew is the same. However, the same goes for space vessels. Fittings are one way a starship owner can customize the ship to their unique needs. We here aboard the Sunbeam know the importance of a personalized ship, and we have provided some standard options for your choosing. But don't get too carried away with the fittings. Most fittings will require system power and ship mass. Your ship's power and mass will be limited by your hull choice. Starships can also be modified with defenses and weaponry. Defenses, like fittings, will take some power and mass depending on the class of your ship. Defenses will protect your ship from incoming attacks and help you evade them. Weapons will require power and mass like the other options, but weapons also need a safe place to mount to a starship's hull. You wouldn't want to rip your starship apart when firing, would you? As such, each ship hull has been designed with hardpoints. For example, a free merchant ship would only have a maximum of 2 weapons because it comes equipped with 2 hardpoints. We at Sunbeam have your safety in mind. That's why we will simply not allow the mounting of planet-destroying nuclear weapons in insecure locations. Now that you know the basics of starship configurations, I would like to guide your attention to some specifics to hopefully answer some common questions you may have. Most modifications can be done after the original creation of the spacecraft. Hull types and specific augmentations, however, may need to be implemented in the process of construction. One such example of an augmentation that cannot be provided aftermarket is atmospheric configuration, an important fitting for ships that hope to ever land. Another curious question from consumers is the cargo capacity of our varying hull types. Well, we here at Sunbeam consider it the responsibility of our intelligent consumers to choose how much of the ship's mass to attribute for cargo space. And of course, each one of our glorious starships comes equipped with basic cabins and life support systems for your crew. And the magical device that makes inter-system travel possible, a spike drive. Though, if you are looking to make multiple spike drill trips, then it may be wise to invest in spike drive upgrades to increase the range of a single fuel reserve. Now that you have a solid understanding of starship configuration, I hope that you take the chance to look over your options. And when you decide to journey to the stars, just remember the Sunbeam will be more than happy to create your vessel, faster than light. If you are considering a purchase of a starship, then visit one of our planetary sales locations for a flight to the Sunbeam. Our salesmen are waiting to help you pick a great vessel for your needs. If you are a military investor, then please consider taking our weapons prep course while aboard. If you are looking for work as one of our manufacturers or salesmen, then check the data link following this broadcast for an area to apply. Join me, Peter Showers, aboard the Sunbeam, proud branch of the Sunrise Corporation.